Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crocheted flower motif tea coaster. It looks really very beautiful. So let's start. Our wool is of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. First we'll make a magic ring. And then we'll make 2 chains first and 3 more chains for turning. Total 5 chains we'll make. Now we'll make 1 double crochet in the ring. Now 3 chains and 1 double crochet. Three chains and 1 double crochet. Now since we have to make 7 petals, so we make 7 double crochets. This is our round first. Total we require 5 rounds to make. Now we'll attach with the upper chain with the help of slip stitch after making 3 chains, of course. We'll spare 3 chains and we'll attach with the help of slip stitch. Now second round we are going to make. We'll first move to the pocket, then we make first 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and we'll make 4 double crochets in pocket. Four double crochets we have made. Now we'll make 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same pocket. Hence it becomes a small petal. Now before moving to the next pocket, we make 1 chain, and in the next pocket again we'll make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 4 double crochets, 1 chain and 1 single crochet. This round is also very easy to make. Total 7 petals we have made. This is small flower. Now round 3 which we are going to make will be made from the back side. First we'll stitch with the help of single crochet, then we'll make 4 chains and we'll make 1 single crochet taking from the back. Again 4 chains and 1 single crochet at the back. This will do 7 times. Now we go to the first pocket. Now in every pocket we'll make 6 double crochets. So first 2 single crochets, then we'll make 5 single crochets in the first pocket. Total 6 double crochets are required in each pocket. Now we move to the next pocket and we'll make 6 double crochets in next pocket and in each pocket. Four rounds we have completed. Now we attach with the help of slip stitch. Now we are going to make our fifth and final round. First we make 5 chains. Then we'll make incomplete single crochet. We'll not complete single crochet. This we'll do 5 times first. Six single crochet we'll make in the starting point from the where we started the chain. Now we have 7 stitches on the crochet and we'll reduce one by one. Now again we pick up single crochets but will not complete it. We'll reduce it one by one. This we'll do for 3 times. Now 3 times we have done. Now we'll make one single crochet in each gap. So total 6 single crochets we'll make. Now here we'll make one treble crochet and we'll pick up the chain skipping the first 2 one. We'll take the third chain and we'll make one treble crochet. Now again we make second petal So 6 incomplete single crochets will pick, and similarly as we made the first leaf, we'll make the second leaf also. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.